Howdy everyone, this is Grant Fine up with Uptown 101 and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Well, how would you like this kind of view in your next apartment here in Dallas? First of all, you've got a balcony that looks like this, and then you've got these great views of the city right here. Right there is American Airlines. That's where the Mavericks and Stars play, and then you've got downtown Dallas all around you. This is also uptown Dallas because we're in the Victory Park area, so you've literally got views of both downtown Dallas and uptown Dallas. It's a fabulous location here. But let's actually look at the apartment too. This is one bedroom. This is a top level, penthouse level apartment at the 23. It's really pretty. It's very modern. It's attractive. This is what the kitchen looks like. Super, super cute. It's got a great feel. Really pretty appliances. Lots of cabinet space. It's got a really nice island that's here. Just feels modern. The lighting is really good. We walk into here. There is, that's just the entrance. And then in here is the bedroom. So we just look in that. It's really attractive too. Floor to ceiling windows. So you've got a lot of light. Really pretty carpet. This is just beautiful. Again, you got those great views. American Airlines Center is just beautiful. And then you've got a good look and feel in here also in the bathroom. The bathroom is adorable. Some great quartz countertops that are here. Super pretty mirror. And then you've got a nice walk-in shower. So this is a beautiful experience on this top level at the 23. This is a gorgeous apartment with great views and a great location. Hey, the next step on this is to send me a text because we need to set up a tour. We need to set up a virtual tour. That's really easy to do. And what that would do for you is just, it would be, you'd call me, we'd chat, say hi, and then we'd set up a time where we'd get the units that are the best fit for your time frame, your criteria, and then we would set it up where you could just see these live but on your phone. So send me a text, just say hi, and let's chat. My number is below. I look forward to hearing from you.